Welcome to the first session in our AI Builder for processing video. In this three-part video, we'll go over creating an AI Builder for processing model, training the model, using a Canvas app to analyze an AI Builder model and display the results on the screen of the Canvas app, and finally, in the last session, we will use Power Automate to create a flow that will retrieve the data from an uploaded file and create the data in our CDS database. For the purpose of these three sessions, we will use a PDF invoice form that we created and train the model to read the data from that model. Now let's get started. I've already created the PDF files, so let's go ahead and build the model. First, we'll navigate to our Power Apps Maker portal, which I'm already in, and under the AI Builder dropdown, select Build. This will display the AI Builder homepage where we can select which service we'll be using. In our case, we'll be using form processing, but additional custom and predefined AI Builder models are available. Once we click the AI Builder form processing model, we will see the new model dialog, where we'll specify the name of the model, we'll enter AI invoice for this model, and click on the Create button. After we click the Create button, we are able to add our sample documents. We can do this by clicking on the Add Documents on the command bar or at the bottom of the screen. You must enter at least 5 documents, which can be PDF, JPEG, or PNG documents. When you click on the Add Documents, you will get a selection of the location of the documents, which can be from your local file system, SharePoint, or Azure Blob. In our case, they are located in local storage, so I'll use that option. I will select the 6 documents that I have for training the model and click on the Upload button for the documents in the pop-up. Once the documents have been uploaded, I'll go ahead and close the window. Now it's time to start analyzing the documents. We do that by clicking the Analyze button on the bottom left corner of the screen. This process can take a few minutes based on the complexity of the document, so I will stop the recording until this is done. Now that the documents have been analyzed, we can start configuring the fields that make up this document. You will see the Select the form fields you want to save header with a single document tile. Click on the tile to start setting the fields. If you get a pop-up carousel with feature explanation, just click on the Close button. Based on your screen size, zoom in if necessary and start providing names to the fields that are selected. I will start entering the names for the invoice number, invoice date, payment terms, and due date. At the bottom of the screen, I will do the same for subtotal, shipping, and the grand total. You will notice that the sales tax has not been pre-selected, so I'll click on the sales tax and select that as well. You will notice that the table has a selection around it as well. Just double click on the table and press on the check mark. Next, we'll have to process for the build to and ship to fields. In order to create all the fields, I will just select each individual field and give it a name. Build to name, build to company, build to address, build to city state zip, build to phone, and build to email. In the ship to section, I will do the exact same thing. Ship to company, ship to address, ship to city state zip, and finally the ship to phone number. Now that we have all the fields created, we can confirm that these are the fields by clicking on the Confirm Fields button on the top right corner. This will redirect us to the training pages, and we will have to repeat the same process for each file that we have uploaded. You don't have to re-enter this for the table. I will repeat the process for the Bill and Ship To sections, and I only have to do this for the fields that are not pre-selected. Since all the fields are already available on the side panel, I just have to draw them out and select which fields they correspond to. Once we are done, we can click on the arrow to move to the next document. I will go ahead and complete the same process for the other documents. Now that I finished selecting all the fields for all the training documents, I can go ahead and click the Done button on the top right corner of the screen. This will take me back to the starting page. We click on the Next button here, and in the Model Summary page, click on the Train button. This process can take a few minutes. Once the training has started, you can click on the Go to Models to see the progress of the trainings. You will notice that the status of the models in that page is set to training. Once this is complete, we'll be able to publish this model. We can see that the status has been changed to trained and that our training is complete. We'll click again now, or we click on the name of the model, and from here we can run a quick test or publish the model. Let's run a quick test. I'll upload one of my test files and then wait for the analysis to be completed. Once completed, we'll be able to see that all the fields are selected, including the table. Let's go ahead and close the window, and from here we can go ahead and publish the application. The publishing process takes approximately 15 to 30 seconds. We have now created our AI model, which can be used in our apps. In the next sessions, we'll use this same model that we just created to populate data into our Canvas app or use Microsoft Power Automate. Thank you for joining this session.